Good morning, dear children. Today's lecture is for Grade 4 English Grammar, topic Verbs. A verb makes a sentence complete. Now we have further types of verbs, where first is action verb, second is linking verb, and third is helping verb. Now let us understand them one by one. An action verb. What is an action verb? It shows what a subject does. It means the words that tell us what a person, animal or thing is doing are called verbs. They show action. That's why they are called action words or doing words. For example, as you can see in the picture, the man shuts the door. So the word shuts, it is showing action, is action verb. The man shuts the door. Now we have further type of verb, which is linking verb. It doesn't show action, but it shows a link. Let us see. Linking verb links the subject to a word in the predicate by showing what the subject is like or what the subject has. Now let us see example. There is a man standing near the car. So the sentence is, he has a car. He has a car. So here the word has is linking verb, as it is connecting subject with words in the predicate. Subject is he. Words in the predicate are a car. So the word has, which is a linking verb, is connecting these words. Next sentence. The man is tall. Here the subject is the man and tall is the predicate. So here is linking verb is connecting subject with predicate, and we have learnt that linking verb tell us what the subject is like. So how is man? The man is tall is linking verb. Is linking verb. Next, the car looks good. The car, subject, good, predicate, looks. How is car? The car looks good. So looks word is linking verb. This is clear to you, children? Okay, very good. Some verbs come before action verbs and work as helping verbs. Now we are going to read some sentences to understand it properly. First sentence, he will be shutting the door. Second, he is shutting the door. And third, he has shut the door. So in all the sentences we have similar action verb. Shutting, in second also shutting, and third is shut. So these shutting and shut, these are action verbs. They are showing action. And what is linking verb here? Linking verb is in first sentence will be, in second is, in third has. As the linking verb is connecting subject to the action verb. That's why these are linking verbs. All verbs come from the root or base form of verbs. Let us understand it. Action verb come from the base form of doing verbs. Now we have action verbs. Action verbs were like you read in the previous sentence, shut. These are action verbs. They come from the base form of verbs, which is, for example, we are taking word sing. So the base form is to sing. And further action verbs that comes out from this base form are sings, singing, sang, sung. Linking verbs come from the base form of to be and to have verbs. Now let us see what are these to be and to have verbs. Forms of to be verbs are am, is, or, was, were and will be. Children, am, is, are, was, were and will be are to be form of verbs. These are to be forms of verbs. And linking verbs that come from the base form of verbs to have are has, have and had. Children, this you have to learn. These are basic things that you have to learn. The form of verb to have verbs are has, have and had, and forms of to be verbs are is, am, are, was, were and will be. Now forms of to be and to have verbs work as helping verbs when they are used before action verbs. So these are only this to be and to have verb forms that turns into helping verbs when they are put before action words. Let us see. See, Rafiq is a singer. Rafiq is a singer. So is, here is linking verb, and this is to be form of verb. The verb to be tells the state of being. The verb to be tells us how is the subject, state of being of a subject. So subject is Rafiq. So what is Rafiq? Rafiq is a singer. Next sentence. Rafiq has a good voice. Rafiq is subject, and what Rafiq has, what subject has, that to have form of verb tells us Rafiq has a good voice. Rafiq has a good voice. So the verb to have tells what the subject has or what the subject owns. So here the subject Rafiq has a good voice. The verbs can, may, will, shall, should, etc. should also work as helping verbs. Now see children, a base verb changes form according to the subject and time of action, which is related to your topic subject-verb agreement. Okay? As the base form of verb changes form according to the subject and time of the action. Subject, if subject is single, the verb will also be singular. If subject is in present time, if the action is in present time, then the verb will also be in present. If the action belongs to past time, then the verb will also belong to past time. In this way, see, Soumya plays football. So Soumya is single here, verb is also single, that is plays. Soumya plays football, and it belongs to which time of action? Present time of action. Second sentence. Tanishka is playing with her dolls. The action is in progress. Tanishka, singular, so we have single verb, is, not are. We are not using are, which is used after plural subject. So Tanishka is singular subject, we are using is. Tanishka is playing with her dolls, and playing verb form is in present tense as the action is in continuity. Third sentence. Adil played football. Adil played football. So it belongs to past time. That's why we have used second form of verb here. Adil played football. And if it had been Adil and Mohan, then it had been Adil and Mohan play basketball. In these sentences, the base verb was play. Let us see it once again. In this sentence, this is plays. In second sentence, it is playing. And in third sentence, it is played. So, in all these sentences, the base verb play changes its form to plays, playing and played. Soumya plays football, Tanishka is playing with her dolls, and Adil played basketball. That is, base verb is play. So with this lecture ends, student. Hope this is clear to you very well. Thank you, children.